Whenever I have to machine a curved surface, I usually use the 3D parallel. It just seems to give me the best results with the least amount of tweaking the toolpath. I'm going to use a 3/8 ball mill. Here's some feeds and speeds that'll give you a nice clean finish. You can always speed this up and go fast. Under geometry, we want to change it to selection and then select your face contours. Select contact point boundary and unselect contact only, and make sure you're set to tool center on boundary. Under the passes tab, you can select your pass direction and change your step overs from here. It looks like the direction's the wrong way, so we need to change that. Just change that to 90 degrees. Hit OK. And that looks like what I want. Let's do a quick little simulation. And if you don't like the way this is coming out, increase your step over. Sometimes less step overs actually have a nice, cleaner finish, and it'll speed up the program.